My name is Martin and I have been studying charisma and communication skills for 4 years straight, and in today's video I will show you how you can apologize so well that they will literally love you afterwards. Let's go. So I'll be sharing with you a very simple 3-step framework. I have developed this framework myself, so if you see any other influencers stealing this from me, just remember I was the first. The first part of the framework is the first A. If I didn't mention yet, the third part framework is covered in AAA, 3 A's. The first A is acknowledge. When we want to apologize to someone and when someone is apologizing to us, most of the time we completely mess it up because we don't give acknowledgement towards their feelings. That's why, as the first sentence that you need to say, it should be empathizing with what they have just said, or in a way that you have done them wrong. So it will look something like this. Hey bro, I completely understand how you feel. This is an incredibly powerful start of the sentence, because now, as at the first sentence, you are literally showing them that you care, that you are empathizing with their problem. Now that we've covered the first part, now let's move to the second part, and that is to actually apologize. A for acknowledge, and second A for apologize. Apologizing is very cool, but what a lot of people do is that they will say stuff like, I am sorry I made you feel that way. I am sorry that you feel that way. You see the problem with this. If we say, I'm sorry you feel that way, we don't take any responsibility. We are just like a bystander saying, oh, I'm sorry about how you feel. It's not taking any responsibility. That's why when you are gonna apologize, and by the way, this is gonna take a lot of ego distraction, I need you to apologize with 100% accountability. I want you to literally go and say to them, I am sorry. I have messed up so bad and I'm such a horrible person for doing so. That kind of apology is real, is honest, because that is going from that responsibility, not from that, oh, I'm sorry you feel like this. That solves nothing. That is a fake apology. Nobody likes those types of apologies. That's why you need to say, I am sorry that I have done this. I am sorry that I have made this huge mistake. The simple mindset in the second A that you need to remember is to have as much responsibility as humanly possible. You need to say, I am sorry for messing what I have done to you. So that would be the second A. But what about the third A? The third A, as the AAA framework, is the advance. Yes, we all know when someone even does a good apology. But what do they do afterwards? Do they actually change? Or do they just stay the same and keep making the same mistake over and over again? So here is what I want you to do. As the end of your sentence, I want you to say, and I promise you, I will never do this mistake ever again. A sentence like that is gonna make you an incredibly charismatic person, because it shows that you acknowledged your mistake. No. Actually, first you acknowledged how they feel, then you acknowledge your own mistake, and now you are moving further. Now you are moving and actually overcoming this mistake and never doing it again. So now that we have recapped the AAA framework, now it is time for me to show you this in action. So let's say I'm apologizing for something and I feel absolutely horrible for doing so. So let me apologize to you right now. Hey bro, I completely understand how do you feel. If I was in your shoes, I would literally feel even worse because of what a shit thing that I have done. And honestly, it was all my fault. I have messed it up so bad and I feel absolutely terrible for me doing such a horrible thing to you. And I can honestly guarantee you that I will never do such a horrible mistake ever again, because I want to become a better person for this relationship. So please, I just want you to let you know that I'm truly sorry. That kind of apology you will remember for years to come. Not for 2 months, not for 1 year, years to come. Because that kind of apology is that kind of apology that takes humility, that takes respect and accountability. So again, just a very quick recap. First A, acknowledge, empathize with their problem, with their emotion. Second, you will take extreme levels of responsibility and accountability, and you will use a lot of I language. I fucked up this. I am sorry for this. You will take responsibility for yourself, for your actions. Third, you will say that you will advance. A for advance. You will go and say to them, I don't want to make this mistake again, and I'm super sorry that I have made it this way, and I can guarantee you I will move forward and become a better person from now on. That kind of apology is super powerful. And again, just a very quick side point, if you want to become the most charismatic version of yourself and join a full community of people who are just like you, who want to improve their charisma and communication skills, then just click the first link in the description. This is my private community here, and you get access to everybody who is in here. And even better, you get access to me as your charisma and communication skills expert, literally for $0, literally for free. So if you want to jump on a call with me and discuss charisma and communication skills literally for free, then just click the first link in the description and I will see you right there. And if you want to know how to become more funnier than 99% of the population in just 6 minutes, then just click this video right here. Live a happy life.